Toshi price just exploded massively to the upside. We pumped over 90% in a single day. If you guys paid attention to the yesterday's YouTube video I dropped for you guys on Toshi, I drew you guys attention to the zone you should begin to DCA. I think it was this video, which is 17 hours ago. By the way, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on the subscription button, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. If you're yet to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button. My name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, you're welcome. Now let's go back to Toshi real quick. We're going to be talking about the next potential price move for Toshi. I specifically told you guys it will be wise to begin to DCA into Toshi between 0.00061 and also 0.00056. So congratulations if you did that. In this video briefly as well, we are going to be talking about the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, because this is one of the most important indicator to pay attention to if you want to know when to exit your altcoin bag and when to enter into altcoins. We are also briefly going to talk about the MACD indicator for the BTC dominance. Not to forget the orders against the BTC price chart. Now, these orders against BTC is the combination of the entire cryptocurrency market cap, excluding top 10 to top 15 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. Now, this chart is also one of the most important indicator to pay attention to use as a confluence to know when to exit and when to enter into altcoins. Next FOMC meeting is expected to kickstart in the next 5 hours, 50 minutes, and continuous countdown of seconds. If you're paying attention, we have a 94% probability of getting a 25 basis point rate cut and a 6% probability of getting a 50 basis point rate cut. Now, like I said in the Toshi video yesterday, regardless of what rate cut we get today, it is still going to be bullish for the entire market in the long run. You might just experience like a brief, or let me say short-term volatility before steady grind to the upside, the up only phase. And the up only phase is going to be determined by the BTC dominance for altcoins. The up only phase for altcoins is going to be determined by the massive drop on this BTC dominance. Now, if you're paying attention, Ethereum is still currently in her season. When Ethereum broke out of the $2,900 level, it skyrocketed to the upside, which is the Ethereum season. And when it broke out of this buzz, it also skyrocketed to the upside. Now, I'm expecting the orders chart to do the same, to follow suit very, very soon. If you're paying attention, the orders chart, which is the combination of the entire altcoin market cap, excluding the top 10 to top 15 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space, is about to do the same thing Ethereum did. The moment we are able to successfully flip the $305 billion on into a support, forget about it. It is over for the bears. Altcoins are going to begin to rally aggressively into altcoin season. Like seriously. So you're here to like this video, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's look at this altcoin path to altcoin. This was when Toshi exploded like massively to the upside. Now, if you're paying attention, I pinned the liquidity flow sheet for path to altcoin for you guys on the Telegram channel. If you're clicking it, now you will notice the first phase is the BTC season, which BTC like had it run for more than 1 year, more than 365 days. Now, the next phase is the Ethereum season, which is the current phase we are in. Now, if you're paying attention to the Ethereum BTC pair on the monthly time frame, you would notice Ethereum has been outperforming BTC ever since it flipped the 0.018 into a support. Now, this is the Ethereum slash BTC pair, not Ethereum slash USDT on the monthly time frame. And very, very soon, we should begin to expect an 8K to 10K dollar for the price of Ethereum, which is very, very realistic. We have 13 days and 12 hours until this current monthly candle closes for Ethereum. So Ethereum, we've been in an Ethereum season. So the moment Ethereum cools down a little bit, large altcoins, large cryptocurrencies cap are going to begin to like skyrocket. And the moment that is happening, altcoins, I'm talking about the mid cap and low cap, are going to join Ethereum in the rally and begin to like outperform Ethereum. That is just the truth. This is the clear path to altcoin season that I've consistently worked for like years since the entire cryptocurrency market cycle begins. Toshi is currently outperforming the rest of the altcoins in the crypto space, which is massive if you ask me. Like I said in the previous video, Toshi might want to flip these zones into a support, the zone around 0.00075. That's area, okay, let me say anything around 0.00082 to 0.00007, yeah, to 0.00737271 is likely to act as an area of support or act as an area or a bullish breaker for the price of Toshi. That is, if at all Toshi is going to like cool down a little bit, retrace maybe half of this pump, 50% of this pump, then we should begin to expect a reversal from around the level we just talked about for Toshi coin. That is just the truth. Very, very soon, Toshi is going to begin to head into billions. The all-time high market cap was around $900 million for Toshi. That was when I took my first profit after getting an entry at $1.4 million market cap for Toshi in 2023. My next massive take profit zone for Toshi is going to be when we tapped into, I think when we go above the $2 billion zone. I'll begin to like scale out bit by bit. I think my last entry for Toshi was when Toshi price was around 0.00073 thereabout. That was a couple of days ago. I told you guys as well in the previous videos. This is not the time to panic sell. I think I've screamed this countless times in my Toshi videos. Now, if you're paying attention to what the BTC dominance is saying, the last time we crashed aggressively in 2017 market cycle, we had a massive altcoin season, a massive altcoin rally. You get? Now, the last time same thing happened in 2021 market cycle, the altcoin market exploded massively to the upside. Altcoin investors made massive profit. Now, I think the BTC dominance is trying to follow the same playbook it has been following since its inception. And by the time the BTC dominance start crashing aggressively, I think we are going to enter into a full-blown altcoin season. Q4 2025 is going to be massive and bullish. Now, if you're paying attention, the BTC dominance is currently seated at 58%, 58.3% technically. We are left with 13 days and 12 hours until this current monthly candle closes. The moment this 2025 BTC dominance is following the previous playbook, which is what is expected of it, the moment we are seeing that aggressive crash is going to send us overnight into a massive altcoin season. A lot of people are going to get sidelined, sadly. Like, seriously. I think I'll begin to consider to scale out of my altcoin position the moment the BTC dominance tap into the 44% level and 42% level respectively. You wouldn't want to be holding onto your altcoin bag to, at the end of the day, run trip or get used as an exit liquidity by the market makers or whales. That's why I'm going to be updating you guys on the Telegram channel, which is faster to like post information on when to exit your position, in order to avoid getting used as an exit liquidity. I think the worst thing you would want to do is want to like time the exact exit, your exact exit. You might end up round tripping. You have to avoid that. Like, seriously. We need to see the BTC dominance dump aggressively. The moment that is happening, we should be in an altcoin season already, because the BTC dominance MACD indicator on the monthly time frame has already printed a red histogram, and the MACD line has crossed below the signal line as well. The moment both of these MACD line and signal line is going below the zero line and the histogram, then it is over for the DS. The market is going to explode. Same thing with the orders chart against the BTC pair. The last time we got a bounce here in 2021, the altcoin market exploded to the upside. I think the same thing is about to happen here. You guys need to pay attention. As always, my name is Isaac. If you're yet to like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Peace out.